Next, we'll demonstrate the running stitch. There's also a row of numbers in front, showing how many strands to use. Let's start with 2 strands in the second row. We'll use 2 strands of color number 2. You can bring up at either end. Let's start with the left segment. Bring up at the left end. Insert at the end of the line segment. Let's demonstrate once more. Insert at the end of the line. Running stitch is a simple, common stitch, suitable for various patterns. Keep stitches neatly aligned, in the same direction. Insert. 2-strand running stitch is complete. Now let's look at the line below. Same running stitch method. Let me demonstrate, using 6 strands of color number 6. Again, bring up on the left. Insert at the line's end. Keep even spacing between stitches. Insert. This running stitch is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.